For a round of applause again,
Big deal, bro.
It's a big deal.
Very, very big deal.
It's a big deal. It's a big deal.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? And I'm going to say, Alkaline is now the first dancehall artist to follow the Barclays that's never been to jail.
Yeah.
No,
You never move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How are the latest news them lock?
No Media Fox, you know. People, Alkaline drop one of the sickest album in a dancehall. Me see everybody are rude. Cause people, me soon address the Gaza and the Crux, you know. Me I give them one special video. Yeah man, special video. Wait till all the video they drop. You understand how bag of things. But look at now people. You see the album here? Album a chart in a Canada, UK, US. You don't know. I think it depends number 1 in a UK and number 1 in a US. I think last time here number 4. See? People, go buy the album. See? Go and go buy the album. Because it only going to shame the haters. We see what I want from Alkaline solo the Barclays too. But it shows say Alkaline are one of the most hated artists in the dancehall. May I tell you that. Like, and not even that. The most hated of all time. Because the youth at the Barclays Center. And they all, the hate will forward down on the youth. Me never see them hate one show so yet. In a dancehall, especially overseas. You understand? But look at now people. Jeffrey forward out and I say a bag of things about people. You can't miss that video, yeah. You go love it. A lot of things me are exposing at this. Because you know Media Fox got to work, right? Alright. Tune in.
Start with Alka.
Yes, sir.
Round of applause to the young lad. Round of applause to the young lad.
Definitely answered a few questions.
Round of applause. Was asking this question. Can he do it?
Can he do it?
No. Alka sold out the Barclays. And we have enough to talk about, but we're congratulating for a round of applause.
Big deal, bro.
It's a big deal.
Very, very big deal.
Yeah, boy. Yo, you see what me tell you? Never watch the haters. Me I tell you, never watch the haters. You understand? Just put in the work.
Big deal. It's a big deal.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? And I'm going to say, Alkaline is now the first dancehall artist to follow the Barclays that's never been to jail.
Yeah.
No, I see no people, when make a comment there, somebody has say, think it's an offense. No, bro.
Yo, we no need for cut out that thing, you know. People, this need for cut out now, bro. Stop mix up with what happened to Bojo and Vybz Kartel, bro. Stop put this prison thing. Bo solo Barclays. Brother, imagine you go up on a big TV platform. One of them big TV host platform there. And talk about just selling out the Barclays without going to prison. What is that? That's no stat, fam. Brother, better you say the youngest dancehall artist will do it. This prison, bro, everything where una mix up Kartel, story, destiny with Alkaline. Where this prison thing come from? Why not put prison to where the youth do in a dancehall? Or some joke thing that dog.
And we're not, we don't give a fuck, you know. Because I carry belly for the interview, I just carry the belly for the interview. When the baby born, the baby just born.
What's wrong with that?
You understand? But
And what about it?
Kartel is Kartel. I'm don't want to really talk about Kartel right now, because I congratulate Alka. But let's just do this never been to jail thing. Mm-hmm. 2 artists do arenas of this magnitude. Right? And sell it out. And it's Bojo and it's Vybz Kartel. The 2 things that them have in common is that they had spent time behind bars. So it has to be a stat that we have other big artists they are road and they never do an arena. But the 2 man them do arena go behind bars. Somebody might come out and say, I'm to Bunty. I can't give Bunty. Bunty was a headliner of a stage show. Yeah. You have Massic up on the show, you have Movad up on the show. Who was it up on the show? Somebody step on the show. I think I 3 of them. But regardless,
I don't the dip on the show. I don't. You see me? I don't. Brother, this prison thing, me nah go run with that. Me nah go run. You see, una use this prison thing for flood dancehall, you know. At that you know do, you know, dog. You cannot mix up with the youth do greatness. The youth show a young generation say, yo, do it and not follow what nobody wants to say. And you go talk about prison. But what kind of stats that, bro? You think you can go to people and say, alright, what you do in dancehall? I sold out the Barclays Center without going to prison. Bro, what is that? That's not no stats, bro. That's a madness.
you have giants on the show as well. You understand? So the prison thing, we don't want to look upon it as prison. Look upon it as time away from America. Because if Popcorn go Barclays right now, it's go full. Yeah. Because he's never been there. It's a part of a movie. So that's why when we say prison, I bet I would say who never spend more than 8 years or 10 years away from America and then because somebody. Because I think Buju like 10 years as well.
Yeah.
They're about from America. So at that way I say when I make it about the prison, but the prison actually help it too because it gives it a better story. So look at
Bro, it's not no better story, bro. That's not no better story. The reason why Vybz Kartel sell out the most arena, right? Remember, you know, Buju just lock up for like 10 years, I think. I not even remember. Seeing? Remember, I said Buju been a go places, fly go America and every little thing. Kartel could fly go America. Them couldn't see him. You see me, Kartel spend longer years in a prison. Kartel never go a lot of these places. Europe, Paris, all of them things. They never been a go these places. You see me? So him a go have one of the biggest demand in a dancehall. Because him never did do all of these places where him a do now. The man, first of all, Vybz Kartel never been to Canada. Him whole life, him whole career. And him is a big artist. So when him go over there and do the shows, people will come see him because him never yet go Canada. You understand? Can remember, you know, that why you think Beanie Man show cancel? Although Beanie not go US for 10 years. The second show, him that shy do a back to back. It's because people that fly from US come to Jamaica come see him, them see him in other different countries. Them couldn't see Kartel none at all. You understand? And if you remember, say, yo, Buju do couple shows, couple arenas. But before that, Buju could have go more places than where Kartel couldn't go. You understand? Before the prison thing. You see it? Yeah, Buju been at the world and if you look at it, Kartel never do much traveling. This is his first world tour. His first access to many countries. You see me? So that's the difference, bro.
Every rapper got jail. Them have a hit. As them come out, you know why? The first day out. It's like, yeah, we want hit. So, I don't know, comparison thing, it's really impressive because we've never seen it done. The Marlies, them never do it. I know Sean Paul done enough arenas, but I don't think he never did the Barclays.
I don't think he's done the Barclays, not to my knowledge.
The Barclays somewhere in Europe, but not the Barclays, yeah. You see me? So it's just run up a fucking plaster, Alka, bro. I'm gonna do like explain myself sometime, but I don't know. I do a part-time job for explain myself.
We have to explain that because it's true.
Yeah.
It's not,
you know what I mean?
It's a fact.
You never vex with some fucks like I'm to know that. Anyways, so big up to Alka. Right. See me? Now, what another thing too. Not out too much, if I remember something, see, Reggae Fest come out and them say, this is a broke record.
Yeah.
For like dancehall show and whatever the case may be. Right? And I don't understand it.
Okay.
I don't understand it because what is sold out? Does sold out mean whatever capacity you set the venue as? Or does sold out mean say, well, max the capacity of the venue, then it's sold out? Because if you do local research, you're going to see like a CBS article that said the record for a one night show in Barclays 18,000 set by Bruce Springsteen, right? But we as Jamaicans, we had that Kartel did 19,000 in the Barclays.
Here we do.
Right? And people who go to Barclays can attest that it did ram. It did really ram. Like every single seat did gone. So I'm saying, what is sold out? And then when CJ or the Reggae Fest team come out and say that, them have to give some clarity. Now there was another thing in.
Alright, people. You see, sometime, why, these people, first of all, the arena wall 19,000, right? But you see the setting where Reggae Fest do, put the stage one corner the arena and block out the whole back there, so it minimize the capacity to 15,000. So if she want to extend it, it could go up to like 16, maybe like 17,000 if she add more chairs. Based on how she set up the chairs them around and you know how she set up the place, maybe it can reach. But it now go reach 19,000 because it cut off a big edge round at the back. The show them will sell out 19K like when I talk about some other international people, right? Them have a 360 stage in the middle. So the whole arena seats used. The one them behind the stage of CJ Milan setup is different from the international acts them we sold it out. We use the whole arena. CJ did not use the whole arena. You understand? Uno just Google something and just feel like say that and not understand the situation. And that the problem. Uno go on it and say, 19K. The 19K is the standard when the stage is in the middle, which is the 360. It is not for CJ Milan setup. CJ Milan don't do not 360 show. We know thing in the middle. So Kartel did not do 19K. You understand? Him not do 19K. I just some narrative them run with. You understand? But look here now, people. Alright. So this was Kartel first show time in the US. I think last year, April 11, right? Alright. I want to zoom up this in people and make you see what I'm going to see. So basically, if you realize what this said, this is his first show in our Barclays. See? on Friday. But it say ticket will be available. So basically on the Barclays site and the Ticketmaster, right? It say pre-sales. Them a put out the pre-sales Tuesday, March the 4th at 10 a.m. Then the on-sale, meaning the whole everything, right? The on-sale I put out Thursday, March the 6th at 10 a.m. Remember, you know, the whole ticket, because the pre-sale is not everything. It's just, you know, early bird or whatsoever, right? But it's like your pay and wait or whatsoever. See? The on-sale now, I went everything I forward out, right? Remember, mark that date there, March the 6th. See? Alright. So look at now, people. I'm going to show now what I go on, you know. So that time first show. So look at now. So what happened? When I know, this was Vybz Kartel page repost this. Because all of this depends on CJ Milan page, right? Look at now. March. Look on the date, you know. So basically, them say them have to add a second show. That's how I'm doing back to back, right? Alright. Second show for Vybz Kartel returning to Brooklyn. Look. Remember, you know, look down here, so look on the name. So Vybz Kartel post this. Not saying it no sold out, you know, but more want to understand people. Vybz Kartel post this. So what them do a what you call it? Collab thing, like I guess Vybz Kartel tagger and something, and you know what you do on Instagram where two account them can post it or share it to your account or one scene. So Vybz Kartel put out say show first show sold out. So we're doing it back to back. See? Remember, you know, Kartel post. Alright. Look at now. You see me? Look at now. So this is the thing. Remember, you know, them say the first show sold out. So them add the next one. See? Look at now, you know. Want to look at people. So if you read right here, so it's a ticket for both shows go on sale on March the 6th at 10 a.m. If you look down at the extreme below there, so it's a March the 5th. Remember, you know, people. It's a March the 5th. Remember. Alright, wait. More put body. There's something there. See? Wait there. More put body. There's something there for you to understand what I go on, you know, people. See? Alright. Wait there, people. Alright. See? So basically, the first show would have post February the 28th. That's when she first posted on her thing. So you're ready, show already, right? First show that, you know. So March 6th, the ticket's supposed to go on sale. Everything, 10 a.m., right? Alright now. Seeing? So look on the post, the Vybz Kartel post, and then him share it with CJ Milan, right? See it? It's Vybz Kartel say, the first show sold out. Remember, you know, the ticket I go on sale March the 6th. It not reach March the 6th yet. But the first show sold out. Remember, you know, this is March the 5th, this post, you know. Seeing? So, this are the thing. Remember, them say show sold out, although the full ticket them not found out yet. It show sold out now, but me I try show you how this thing work. Because not because you see sold out, you know, mean say the ticket done and you can't get no more ticket. Because it's a March 6th, the on sale ticket I go live where you can buy it. But this is March 5th. If you look bit the extreme, you see the date. But don't Vybz Kartel say it sold out. Alright, look at now. Seeing? Alright, look at now. So this is the second show, which is the 12th. Seeing? Second show this. This say March 5th. It no reach 6 yet, you know. Seeing? It no reach 6 yet, cause look. It's a ticket. Look below the thing you see the same March 5th this post pan. Seeing? Second show. Tickets for both shows goes sale on Thursday. So you see the solo thing where you see a while ago? Something they posted. World Music Votes. Cause you don't know them on the Gaza thing and way. And nothing wrong with what them do, you know. Because it's a good marketing thing. If you say it's sold out so people can rush to come buy. But it don't actually sold out because look here. If that's a sold out and then the 5th and it don't reach the 6th for the first sale yet. Then pan this now, which is the 5th, them say the ticket for both shows go on sale Thursday, March 6th. But though pan the same 5th day, it said the first show sold out and them have to add a second one. Which when they see it, the ticket not go out yet. So that's why when you hear people talk about Alkaline show no sold out, tickets still left. It's the same thing for Vybz Kartel. But truly here train and everything now and they bring down. Yeah man, one thing with people, some of them no love read. That's why CJ Milan just do our business and cut because them not understand certain things. I just through them want to bring down Alkaline. You see me? So on the see it people, although them say the show sold out, tickets you still could have get tickets for the show. And the ticket not even go on sale yet. Cause it say March 6th, but this a post and the last post before which we say show sold out, the Kartel say him said sold out but ticket not put out yet. So that's why I try, not because you see something sold out, mean say, not because when you hear something say sold out, mean say something no left. It's like you sell 2 liquor and you have 2 liquor left. Seeing and somebody forward and when you look you see 3 or 4 person walk in and a 2 left and a 2 alone can't get it. You go say, yo, it done, you know, yo, no money there, you know. But 2 did left. But the rest of people them could get it. You see me? So a certain capacity, it have to reach, because you know, say I buy that bam bam bam, it have go sold out. See? So a lot of people don't understand the situation. You see me? But listen what
I say, yo, when you get the venue, normally it's set at 10K, when most people use, then you can upgrade it to 13K. Then
people I think of that screenshot, I might screenshot him look him see, you know. At that, I might screenshot him see.
if you do some little tricks with the stage and put the crowd behind the stage, look a bit, you can free up some space. But we need, if we're going to do this, because I love the competition.
Of course.
So, if you want them to say, Kartel do 14,999, Alkaline 15,000, if me Alkaline, I want that. And if me a Kartel, and I need more, I want to say, I need more.
With the numbers, though, it's the same thing you say about, like, if they are the ones that set the capacity. You get me? So, obviously, I don't know anything that happened with the numbers. I'm just saying, yo, so let's say the capacity was set to 12, and it exceeded 12. That's a sold out show, because they set the capacity, but is it the
But
capacity?
the show different, though, because I like a stadium where a man can rear up on the field. Like, these are seats.
Yeah.
So you can count the seats. So we need an actual number.
So we need the numbers
for see how much rate. And again, regardless, Kartel is Kartel, bro. And Kartel has been in the Barclays 3 times, 2 back to back. So we're not comparing. All me just want to get Alkaline in praises.
Bro, people just want Kartel alone do great things for dancehall and them applaud him. That is the main thing. Alkaline at the Barclays. Remember, you know, Alkaline the Barclays Center last year, you know, with some other artists and the Vendetta people and walk out on Bounty Killer, you know. Seeing? Nobody never have no problem, you know. Nobody never say nothing. Only thing said, Vendetta people walk out pan Bounty. Now, this year now, everybody have something to say, like at the first Alkaline are performing at Barclays. But you see, because of the hate train, yeah man, that are the problem. Because some of the Gaza people, because not every Gaza people stay like some of them. Yeah, some just head them not no sense. You understand? Everything what Alkaline do, them try to compare it with Kartel. Everything. Imagine if you did that see Alkaline every day, then would have compare everything with the youth do. You understand? Because them feel like say a Kartel alone for set record, Kartel alone for do this and that. Them no want to see no other dancehall artists make it out there. Look who them bring down everybody. I saw them move. You understand? But me rate the artist, him not pay the haters no mind. That's why I'm so low Barclays. You understand? Because the work when put in music, the impact when set. You understand? So them can't stop greatness. You see it?
And we're giving Alkaline the praises, but you know, for the Gaza fans out there, just keep in solace. You guys, he did it twice, back to back.
No, you can't tell them that. Them don't satisfy. Imagine Alkaline do Barclays one time. One time Alkaline do Barclays solo, you know. One time him do it last year. I don't hear nobody say nothing, you know. Now him do it solo now. Seeing? Them not like it. Them don't like it because where the person forward out and say, and a bag of thing. You see, it get them in them feelings. You see, it not have nothing to do with Kartel. Nothing. It not have to do with Kartel. But them want to mix in Kartel like them feel like say, a Kartel alone to create history, a Kartel alone to do this. You understand? I saw them operate.
No, man, but you're right, bro.
And that's impressive on its own. We know that. But I'm just saying,
it's not even how impressive it is, you know. Bro, and this is not no cool points to Alkaline. I said this, it's not no cool points to me, I say. Alkaline for do better. Yes, it's sold out, but Alkaline should have promoted him show. Alkaline really promote his show. Me not reggae fest team, because we at Jamaica, we're not the target audience, obviously. So we not gonna see the ads them, we not hear what 97, we not hear nothing. But
people, a first in a history, me see the hate, I move goalpost. So. The youth sold out Barclays, them give a round of applause. Now, Alkaline for promote him show. Wait there, Alkaline have a promotional team. So wait there. So through Vybz Kartel forward out and him will say certain things and that a Vybz Kartel, him will forward out and do him thing. I feel personality that. So who no want Alkaline to come out and promote show when the man have a promotional team? Me don't understand this. Because at the end of the show, man say, yo, Barclays, I still promotion that. You understand? Me don't know when since you know rush artists we do promotion. Wait there. First of all, a new rules. Promotion been done. Remember, say at Brooklyn, New York, when you see the, when you not go see the posters at Jamaica, and Jamaica it a keep, but you not go see it on the internet. You understand? So the promotion are done over this, brother. You see it, what you mean by artist not promote and this and that, bro. Then if it never did a promote, how people forward out then? Like how it sell out? Me not understand that. The show been a promote. But you know what the problem? We don't want Alkaline to go live and say, yo, Barclays Center, yo, loud. I still don't want to see people. You understand? That's why the youth say, yo, some of them are celebrity, we are superstar. Because I don't want the artists move like some regular people. That's not the problem, dog. See? The man have a promotional team, a New Rules X Reggae Fest. Reggae Fest are put in the work, New Rules are do the thing same way. You understand? Them a promote the thing, bro. Remember say people dep on the internet every day too. So them see what I go on. You see it?
Alkaline himself, social media, overall, even that at one time Alka posted the damn flyer. And he never posted. I call him collab, I accept him,
I think I might have seen him, maybe him, not him per se, but maybe like somebody associated him post like a billboard in a like Times Square kind of vibes. And then I've heard people tell me I'm like, oh,
yeah, so there's no cool point. But the facts are the facts. Him himself not get much energy. You see me?
Next goal post again. People, the man them say them see big billboard in a New York, Times Square or whatsoever. See, big promotion. And the man say Alkaline. Who will promote the show, brother? Like, bro, the artists are come perform, brother. Is the artist a promoter, brother? Our promotional team? Eh? Yo, the brother different. Yo, they can move a goal post, you say that. But people, remember this. Go get your album. Buy the album iTunes on all platforms. Go and go buy it. NTP. It'll mash up the place. Put people in them feelings. Remember, go buy it. Promotional purposes.
And to pull off this, mind you, he was just in the Barclays less than 12 months ago.
Right.
For Reggae Fest.
Reggae Fest, yeah.
So it's not like so we can say blood clot, New York missing. A long time New York not seen. They just saw it. Remember, I was saying that this was the wrong time.
Yeah, we were arguing about like what's the narrative, what's the story that would make him.
Them just see him. So the fuck said them turn out again. It's really impressive. And again, forgive Kartel, Buju, them profit because them kind of make good say we can attempt.
Yeah.
You see me? That with life sometimes and success, you know that. Sometimes it's not say, yeah, it's not like say, yo, a man can't do it and a man afraid for do it. That so a man give the confidence and say, because guess what? Sometimes too, it's a blood clot ego. You see me? So right now,
people, you know that I understand what Buju do, brother, but this a woman I like. Seeing? Because at the end of the day, Buju do what I do. Seeing? Buju put in the work so people can afford come listen him or in a worse him in a prison, right? The thing is that, you know that in 2024, Alkaline show, which going to be at the, what you call it, So Kartel Arena show, them post at February 2025, the 28th of February, right? Say, I'm going in at the Barclays Center. So that is Vybz Kartel first show, you know, right? Alkaline, new rules in a, what you call it, in a UK, the Wembley Arena, right? 12,500. That post in a 2024. 2024, that post in a. So Alkaline, when you check it, him done did I go in an arena already before Kartel. Because Kartel flyer post up February the 28th. I think in a 2025 before the people them know say right, Kartel I got in a Barclays Center. Alkaline was from 2024, say I got there at UK. So I don't know how these people are try put it, say yo, Kartel this and yeah, Kartel dominate, yes. But at the end of the day, Alkaline, did I go over there anyways because the show planned way before Kartel fought from prison. The arena show Alkaline though, it planned way before Kartel fought from prison in a 2024. You understand? It planned long time. So they might try put certain narrative and certain things, bro. You see me? Where Buju though, is a great move, great everything. But they might try put this prison thing and all of them things. Them there for Buju and Kartel destiny and not for Alkaline. Alkaline they on the road, a been a do it. Been have him own show across the world. I dominate, same way, new rules. The youth been a keep him show at Jamaica, everything. So I don't know this problem now, bro. You see me? But we know them stay already.
And Massacre up next.
Alright. I thought we were going to go there first.
Massacre up next for the Barclays.
No, we're going to say
who to tell? I think Massacre can do it. Cause right now, we're dancing there right now. Our music there right now. Music, they are fan base. Mm-hmm. You see me? Music, they are fan base. And there's some music there. And the Vendetta fans, they never allow Alka for flap.
We know that, but that's why.
Why them keep on make that statement there? Vendetta people now go and make Alkaline flap. I don't understand that. Bro, Uno feel like say the fans out there in the world I pre like Uno. The fans of the artists are come support the artists like him regular other shows them. Me don't know when since, yo, Alkaline fans go forward because them no want him flop. Brother, the man fans been a support the people, them brother. You understand? He been a support the artists. Some don't know when since this. Oh yo, him fans are come support him because them no want him flop. Bro, I tell you, say, only in a little dancehall space at Jamaica and them pre them mentality there, you know. The world now pre them mentality there, bro. Them really, them a pre music. Them now pre bro. You see me?
And that must have from the jump.
Yeah,
Say them
from the
nah,
jump.
allow it to flop.
But this is, to be fair, we want to talk about the show first.
Yeah, talk about the show.
Talk about the show first. At least.
First, I'm think the show didn't need work. I'm not talking about his performance.
People, me say goalpost and move or 100 times or next one this.
I feel like just
Production wise,
no, not even production. I just feel like the show itself, like even simple things like skipping tracks. We need to graduate from the dash for something. I'm gonna say this more majority of people call that me see. We feel have little transitions in some little other stuff. Big up to Ikel Marvelous, I love where you're going with. Ikel bring the energy. Him really, what do I look for? Tell me now. It's like him coexist with him complement Alkaline.
Okay.
Big up to Ikel Marvelous, 47, you know it, Barry, right? But we need to stop with this dash thing. We need, you know what I say? I'm not custom about the bands or whatever. I think this show need a bands too. I personally think so. You know, because you use bands and new rules, right?
Yeah.
And this is a new rules as well. Mm-hmm. So, but regardless of this, but we need to.
Brother, stop it, brother. Stop it. Stop it, bro. When Alkaline do Barclays last year in a Barclays, me never hear nobody talk about bands. Kartel do about 3 shows, no bands. Me no hear nobody a complain. Yo, him should have used bands in a Barclays. Yes, Kartel been a perform how long? From way before that. People say, yo, him for use bands and all them thing there. See? Because Alkaline been a use bands pan him show everything. And the reason why the people them did a beat Kartel, because Kartel nah use it none at all. Him nah use it. Even when him go Sunfest, and Sunfest is a band show, him didn't use it. You understand? And all the time you go use something. Not because majority of the new rules them. Because not everyone in the new rules them use bands. You understand? Look how much I'm sure them like you have. I think something them do in a New York. Him do one I shoot bands them in a one. I think a one small stadium. Him do it. You understand? I don't remember what name again. But he never use bands. You see me? Some don't know. But it sure you see when youth are the greatness, them are gonna move the goalpost and find a bag of excuses. We just not give the youth credit. Cause you know what the first thing, them never did it, you know. Them never did it. For experience. You see it. But in life, and everything I go perfect all the time. You see me?
We need some better shows, bro. Me gotta be honest, like, cause outside of it being an Alkaline show, I want to bring somebody to the show, and then they want a song and them left and be like, yo, that nigga can perform. Remember the first
That because of culture though. You know that.
No, that's not true. They're stuck in that because nobody now complain.
You don't think that's a culture thing?
No, that's not true. Be the man and perform. Come on, let's not
talk about this beanie.
But you're talking about culture. We're just talking about foundation. Don't you perform? Would you perform? So if the foundation man, them perform. Remember that.
But Jeffrey, I know all while see a man them I know every show them do a bands them use. I know every show a bands, not because man them a giant means every show them do a bands them use. You understand? I know every show fam. You see me? So just understand.
Why one right now in a music performance, the man not get no buckle, the man not get clap off a stage. We are talking about, bro. A man goes and say, yeah, one more. And the first two, them you never like up. You have to come on for that, brother. You have to put the big man show.
There was a time.
So we don't say that. It's not no culture.
Okay.
Jamaican thing is based on perform, and I say dancehall come from literally a place. There's a place named dancehall. So me not say Alka deserve a boo. It's not about Alka. This is overall. I forget what the element they are the thing, bro. I want you to do me a favor. Type in Capleton live. Capleton come out.
So wait the Jeffrey, you're artist. Can I see us push, skip and Valiant? How much time them perform with bands? How much time? I hope you tell Valiant say your bands when you perform, you know. Can I see Valiant do tour in a US and I know say in a some club and them not using bands. So like some day your artist Valiant, why you not tell him to use bands too? Cause when him do him tour them, him not use no bands. So you have to come out of the hypocrite way and tell him, say, yo, you need to start use bands and you show them. You understand? Yeah.
Wait, who do you think you are? And who do you think you are? I don't think it's more than a 3-minute song. And the man take like 10 minutes for that song. Keep it on again. In for Alkaline, but I say, so we'll get them platform, yeah. So we'll get them platform, yeah.
Brother, first of all, bro, it's not every show Capleton. Capleton and Alkaline or the Barclays last year. The whole show, them never use no bands. So you're going like say them man always use bands. Them not always use bands, dog. You understand? There is time for bands and there is time for no bands. You see me?
Show up, bro. We have to show up. So I think the show itself, Not Alkaline performance did need some work. Okay. It was giving us similar to a Kartel show. Look at that DJ thing. No.
Bro, stop it, brother. Stop it. Alkaline sing out. Me know you know your feelings. Alkaline sing out him most time song them him still sing out. People at the show can tell you that. The youth sing out him song them. Sing it right out. You understand? Even some of the girls and the man sing his song right out, brother. People there at the show can tell you. So I don't know what you talk about this dashway thing. And the people must sing. It's the whole arena sing it. You understand?
You understand?
Yeah.
Personally. The performance, I think the performance was an
Alkaline performance.
I think it was Alkaline.
He's been at a level for me performance-wise, and him to maintain it.
I want him to say, he's going to have some deep cuts.
Yes.
Yeah, the man don't run at least 4 songs in the brand. No song in the which I appreciated because it was it felt like not necessarily a homecoming, but a moment for him. Yeah. You know what I mean? It felt like, yo, my fans.
People, me nah lie. Me never see a show get so much people that talk about the critique in the show and everything. Like, yo, may I tell you people, like, yo, that is Alkaline great, you know. Alkaline great. May I tell you, yo, me see man do much arena. And me never yet see so much people forward out to talk about one show. So like everything with the show. May I tell you, everything, the whole world. Performance, man a follow, man a enter stage. Yo, this, that, very. And most of them never did it.
Are here? I mean, nobody go home and say, oh, you never sing this. Alkaline sing every song you ever fucking face, bro. Every song. Big up to Cranium. Cranium in our hometown. Come show, say, New York, my hometown. Him come show, what you call it? What am I going to them, man? My God, what am I doing? I told me I got choose. But Cranium come and come show, say, listen, we are real vocal got free, we are real melody got free, you see me? And come do him thing. So big up to that, big up to the fact that Alka got some going to change. Them think they appreciate it. Of course, you understand?
But change the vibes and the energy to him.
Yeah.
Him that the last.
Yeah, but and then again to give some props. I love how them kind of do the setting.
People, you know, say all the way man them attack the changing thing. Alkaline do that at the new rules in a UK, in an arena, I think a OVO or something like well, him do all of that, you know. Yeah, man, him do. But you see through the Barclays thing. Yeah, that's the problem. You see me? So when it comes to Alkaline, everybody have something to say. Yeah, man. If you please feed them one opinion. You see it?
Turns out one time I'm gonna gal. The stripper them come out and it was really, really put together. No. Question. Is Alkaline the Rihanna of dancehall? And I asked her.
Yo. Look on him friend face. Bro, so, yo, me tell you with them money, you know. People. That's why I love pull up them video phone and see, you know. Seeing the different narratives. Seeing this your money I say, yo, is if Alkaline is a Rihanna of dancehall. Brother, how if you compare a man with a woman, brother? Jeffrey, the people them always a beat for one thing, bro. How you say them thing, brother? New Rihanna? Brother, Rihanna a girl, brother. Or you never say some other male artist in the international industry? Why you not say some Eminem or some Kendrick or some other rest of artists? You understand? Yeah, somebody where would I say, yo, move like Alkaline or antisocial, I'm not too talk or something. The man say Rihanna. Look on him virgin face. The man say, brother, what kind of statement that? Jano youth.
Does Alkaline need to produce new music or new hits? Is he just there now where, of course he's not the biggest artist in the world, obviously, but for dancehall music, is he the Rihanna? Where if Rihanna say, listen, I'm going to tour some old song, but not have a new album, come out, and well, come out. Is he that for dancehall?
I think.
I'm telling you already, you know that. Telling you already, see Alkaline run, and what they may show you the live and we have contemplate how long was his run. People want another Alkaline run. I tell you see, brother Spirit, once the man gets social, the media gone.
Yeah, he
once him gets social, bro, tell you Alkaline go one boom Sundays or go.
Bro, the man can take the place anytime he want, bro, because the person where get the most hate, all eyes are gonna always dip on him. So whatever him do, if him do 10 things, it will go even worse because the haters are going to forward out and talk about it and all of them little things, bro. Alkaline have a plan where him have to show up certain things when it comes to dancehall. So when you see him and think, put in the work, he do certain things. You see it? This is youth and two in the social media and everything, you know. And so many young dancehall artists, about 50 artists busting Alkaline bus. And him alone, when you two in the media, when you two in this Ray, I sell out Barclays. So this expose a lot. Because if 50 artists did it all long, and then say Alkaline fall off from 2016. See, this is like 10 years. If you fall off 10 years, or if you sell out Barclays, me not understand that. That is some dancehall space in a Jamaica thing hate. That are the narrative. Yo, Alkaline fall off in 2016. Because somebody before, say fall off 10 years now, couldn't come sell out Barclays. Imagine artists were even dead before him, never do it yet. And the youth come do it. Show say, yo, the work what the youth put in, the song them him have, for people forward out, trust me, yo, the youth music powerful. You understand?
Go give a look of strength. Cause you see the new rules thing them, and theme show them a theme show. Theme fans them about. I don't think it's dancehall fans them go watch Alkaline. Alkaline have him cult based fans. Yeah. And
this man say, I'm a dancehall fan. Jesus Christ. So you're telling me only Alkaline fan go watch him? You feel like say the world out there, the big world out there, you feel like say them just not love dancehall and just love every artist? Them just love music. So you are going to say Alkaline fan. Yes, Alkaline fan is there. But you have people who love Alkaline music. Like, them not have to be a fan, but them just love him music. So what you say, you're madness, brother. A madness you talk. Because every fan's dead. You have fans who you have Gaza fans who rate Alkaline. And you have Gaza fans when they rate Alkaline. You have Crux fans who rate Alkaline. You have Crux fans when they rate Alkaline. But them people in now pre the politics were in the media and in the Jamaican thing, them just love music, all of them. These are artists, feed them artists, or them rate. You understand? So you get it wrong, this, brother.
It's massive. You see me? But you see if him can give a dance or something, go in the streets, go put all energy them in one video. You know what I'm saying? So what you see him downtown.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Like him go downtown.
Yeah, bro.
Just see how.
And get to you with some strength, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Alkaline need to do that, dog. Cause yo, the youth them swag alcohol hard, you know. yo.
No.
People, I'm going to tell you this. See, if you listen to them, man, yeah, people will lose respect for you. You think we're water down. I tell you that. So basically, when him say energy, are some dancers were in a Jamaica where them party 7 days a week. See? Brother, you want Alkaline. First of all, people, the amount of artists when I see going on the street every day, and these people not even highlight them like that. Them don't highlight them. The amount of artists put these same artists in a music video. And them don't pay them a dime cent. The artists them were in at the party every day I promote them music and everything. Them not talk about them artists there, no people. Them not talk about them artists there. Look who them talk about. Alkaline. Alkaline, when I go no party, when I do this, all of them look at thing there. When I demand them in at the street, we I promote them song and I put them same dancer in a video. And them if you get to promote, you know. And them if you get to talk about, you know. But them the Alkaline them a talk about. So what that show you say? Alkaline if you just go and do what you do. You understand?
No, let's talk about.
Please talk about it.
Wait, no, let's talk about. Okay. Let's talk about what we expected from the show too. That we never get.
Yeah.
Not a bad thing, but you expect one Armani jump out.
Goalpost move again. Goalpost move.
You think so? 450.
He thinks he would have done it too.
Yeah.
Brother, you know what I not understand. Yes, you see with Uno now. Uno take dancehall thing as some friend thing and some brother. You have to understand, say, bro, it's business. Armani do Alkaline news in a UK. Then in a Jamaica, him do it again. So no one Barclays him come do it again, brother. First of all, if you see how the arena set, seeing the people them take a while for forwarding and every little thing, bro. Bro, sometimes you have to make things, not make people tired of things, bro. You don't want to see Armani and the man them pa every show, every new rules. Then you see him when I go say, boy, I see him line up him have, see him line up him a do. You don't want Armani do UK, you don't want Armani do Jamaica, you don't want Armani do. Brother, some of the time, brother, I know you know if you make things, make people tired of things, bro. And it's how Alkaline operate. You understand? And at that, the mentality you know have, that's why after a while, bro, things just get water down for you can't do the same thing. You understand?
You see, everything in the yard. Some intense quality too. Intense quality
there
too.
is. I mean, bro.
Team quality too.
Alkava.
But and then go on, DJ. Come here,
Alkava. This is, I guess it's an aura thing. I'm going to say aura because it's just,
something album name, you know.
yeah, well, there we go. You have an aura where it's just like, no matter what, even if him know say, you know, him a shout out to one producer, him really shout out to artist, him shout out to one producer and say, yo, him have an aura of, yo, I'm depend on my own. I saw him operate that, like, my strength. Me, isn't it? Me and whoever me call out, I'm going to say, yo, you know, big up whoever, about my strength. Mm-hmm.
First of all, you know how much artists in a dance all get strength and them not get it back? You think every time you forget strength? Sometimes people want to use your brother. You understand? Alkaline always put them money upon him show him new rules, them Intense, Armani. Them always depend him new rules. So one little time, when the man them put on it is a problem. Eh? It show on the stay that when they just want things come out and steal. That's why things just drop off a farm, you see me?
So I think not going to say it wasn't necessarily done.
And if you ask the vendetta fan them, brother, are really Alkaline them forward for see? You understand? Really Alkaline them really forward for see? Because if the youth sold out this by himself and last year, you have to pre last year too. It shows, and remember, say them say a vendetta people them walk out on bounty killer, you know. And see Alkaline come sold it out by himself now. So you know, say the vendetta people them they full up in the one last year with him and the other artists them.
On purpose, but once again, all he does
It was done on purpose.
Okay.
If you get left, you was done on purpose. No, if you book, you book.
Yeah.
Because and don't quote me on this, I don't know nothing. I don't think he's paying these guys. I think that's strength he might give them a platform, which these guys should take the platform.
Of course.
But
What you mean? Yo, people. I tell you, you know. But me know my style Armani this so. You see me? You are gonna tell the people them say Alkaline nah pay the artist them, brother. Him a give them a highlight when the man have a business new rules, bro. And them thing you not talk about the media, dog. Yo, dog, me I tell you people. Yeah, man, me I tell you, big up the vendetta boss, big up Alkaline, big up him sister. Let's go and put in the work. You see me, cause this, when a brand just get more bigger and bigger. Trust me, bigger and bigger. Alkaline are going to do great more things. Cause if you follow them people, yeah, you don't reach nowhere.
yeah, of course, and then some of the man probably feel a bit cheated in a sense. People do new rules before and whatever. But then again, to play and the devil's advocate, because the devil not an advocate, boy, I can't tell you that. Blood
advocate.
And an Alkaline advocate, and then a shot by death. So to play an advocate of Reggae Fest, probably Alkaline try to show us that I'm going to do a show by myself. Me don't want to do it. I'm gonna say your Shensi did it. Drake did it. Burna Boy did it.
What was funny, what were all the comments saying? By himself. Holy but
Man himself. By himself.
Those were the comments. So
there's a round of applause to Alka's team, bro. I swear. And the reason why I'm doing all this because I never really thought he could do it.
Yeah, man. Yes, yeah, because you said last year him did go in there already and him are going there too early now. No see it. You know what it's proved to, you say? Proved to me, so people. You see them people there? Them him come like a matches box. Them brain come like a matches box. Them don't know the reality because the world where them in, them only see it one way. And I think Barclays Center show them say Alkaline is the man. Alkaline have the pull. Because if them are saying no promote show, if they say no do this and the people them forward for come see him, something is going on. You understand? Something is going. And if the artists them with them say hot and consistent and around the place, not doing this, but the artists with them say fall off and do this, something wrong right there, so people. You understand? But listen what them say.
yeah, we debated so many times.
How we do it? Them wonders how we do it. Shout out to Alkaline. I want to big up him sister. Big up to him sister, Kerry.
Yeah.
Big up to Sponge.
Guiding.
You know what I mean? I said, big up to my dog Sponge. Big up to Kerry. Now we have to ask other questions and can he do it again? Can he do it again? Can he bring it to another city? Because if we're being real, New York is the most populated.
Yo, I say everything what Alkaline do, them want to try make him do it for try follow somebody. So when I say the youth never solo Barclays Center, him can't do it. Now him do it. Una move the goalpost if he can do it again. Youth, what the youth do is great, you know, brother. Because you have artists who bust before him now do it in a fam. You understand? And the worst thing, how much artists achieve what the youth achieve at his age? 32. The youth alone, the young youth, we bust since 2013. A headline in Barclays show. What more historical than that? Like, bro, that's... You see me? Not even Kartel did that solo Barclays at his age. You understand? So what the youth do, not taking from what Kartel do now. But the youth do something great. Because I'm in my youngest we do it. And him just bust with there. But over a decade, him not gone 2 decades yet. These are the things you're not supposed to look pan. Because something is wrong right there. You understand? Something is wrong. You see me? So no need to look between the lines.
No, this is not trying to say this. Most Jamaicans they are New York and they are the diaspora descendants they are New York. So can he bring it to Florida?
I think he could.
I think he could do it.
He could do it.
Fuck it, let's do it.
This is a big, like, not to quote unquote glaze, but this is a very big deal, bro. I think he could bring it to Florida, and I think he could do the same thing. Dependent on where him go, of course. But him can...
Brother, Alkaline now move off and no accusation. The youth just a do what him can do and do what him fi do. The man now in a no competition. Me know say dancehall is a competitive thing, but the youth just a do what him a do. A business the youth a do. You notice the first book, first time going to Barclays Center, right? You didn't know say him get bookings at that time, but you realize that the second one, what was his brand, New Rules. You realize that? New Rules. You understand? So a business the youth a deal with. Uno just take them thing and some little proving thing, you know, brother. A business Alkaline a do, you know. Because the man have him fans. You see me? Alkaline not prove nothing like what Uno think. A business the man a prove at that, me I tell you.
Think he could sell out again?
The next two, so the next artist them, but sure Papa can sell out something easily.
Just off of the fact that
Easily.
he hasn't been there.
Yeah.
Off of that strength.
But it's really massacre.
Papi can sell out Barclays, you know. Yes, he can. But I'm not sure how the magnitude like with Kartel, because remember, you know, brother, people are go Canada, go see Popcorn when him there, people are go UK when him there, people are come at Jamaica when him there, people are fly going to the Caribbean. So them did I see him. And I like Vybz Kartel where him just lock up one place at Jamaica, nobody could have seen him for 13 years. So that demand ratio there go more higher. People did I see Popcorn. You understand? Them did I see him. Because them fly go Canada go a show. Them fly go yes go see him. Not because him not been to America 20 years. Or sorry, him never been there mean say yo rare. Yeah, him a go do something. You see me? Yeah, him a go do something over there. Cause you don't know him never been there yet. You see it?
Next is really Massacre next.
Right.
And I think Massacre, listen, I think Massacre can do it, you know. What are you doing with Massacre?
It's just like him though. Yeah. But not lie, there was something about visibility with him that might play against him. Because him go over them side there hard. He be over there. Him play the game.
Sorry, hold on, have all our haters from New York. And it doesn't have to be New York, you know, because guess what? I think Alkaline props to remember, I think Alkaline did 12,500 in a OVO, something like
OVO, yeah, so.
Yo, me think, but now I go say a man can't do it, you know, but you know, for pre-yo Massacre thing, brother. I feel like the hyping up at Jamaica and all of them little thing there. I feel like through the rivalry between Alkaline Massacre and Kartel, I feel like through them three name there, kinda not too rare, I feel like una use that for try put an artist to a certain level. Because I remember Massacre did a show. Him get booking say a show in a Mobile. This is Montego Bay. And less than 200 people forward. Or less than 300. And this is Massacre in our 2024. Them say I drop a bag of hits. And people not really forward out come see him. I tell you say yo, you see, you not talk something, but when you see when you go out there and see the real reality, brother, that's the problem. You understand? But me not go say a man can't do it, but you have to look on certain things, brother. You see me? Because at the end of the day, Massacre bust 2 years after Alkaline. 2 years after him bust about 2015. You understand? So, well, as I say, to me, Alkaline should not do them moves there, but I don't know. You see me? Let's see.
I think there would have to be a little bit of a distance away
with some new hits.
With some new hits. Album will come up, just get that ball rolling.
But who says that though? Because we don't make the rules, you know. Because if I be fair, we could say the same for Alkaline, he did it. He was just there.
No, he was just there, you know, bro. But there is, I still think, because of his, there is still a lack of visibility with him.
But he was just there, regardless, bro.
Yeah, but
he was just there.
But when he was just there, right?
Mm-hmm.
What going after that?
Well,
see them man there, bro.
Yeah, but seeing him, I'm not seeing him.
No, I'm not talking in terms of seeing him, but you don't hear like him do these other shows. Massacre is a show, man.
Bro, Alkaline been at the other shows, bro. Been at the other. The man level does different, brother. The man did in Barclays like last year, August. Brother. What you say? You see me? Last year, August, the man they are Barclays. That's like about 6 months ago, 7 months ago, the man in a Barclays. So what you say? And the show did sold out. And then the man forward now and sold out by himself. You have to look on these things, bro. That's big move. Because if them see him in a Barclays last year and then 7 months after, brother, it shows that, bro, the man think they on a level. The man really have a fan base, brother. You understand? These are the things you're supposed to look on. You see me? So I understand what that brother you say. You see me, bro? Because if Alkaline been at the other shows. You see me?
Sure enough.
We get it, but you say, like, say, I don't know if people flying for the show, bro. Most people flying, coming in from Tri-State, Connecticut, Jersey. You don't know the whole 5 boroughs.
Let me tell you why problem, people. Them only when Alkaline keep him own show New Rules, that are the most show where them really few cause it start to bring controversy. Seem like the children one them a say, nah go sell out, them nah go do this and nah go that and way. One because anytime, same with news Barclays, same with news in the UK, them been saying the same thing. Anytime the youth a keep him show, them have a bag of thing for say. So when him a do other shows like when him get bookings, them not really pay it no mind. Because I know him brand. So when him a do him news now, yeah, everybody have a bag of thing for say. But at least him have him own brand where I dominate for dancehall out there. Yeah, and I pull people and I pull crowd. You see me, that's a big move because and every artist I do it.
Upstate, so are the same for the same. Listen, the truth is this, and this is my verdict. Alkaline is Alkaline. Shout out to Alkaline. But a lot of this was because people never want to see Alka fail, brother.
Yeah.
So masculine if you do, I mean, if you get him fans them together and say, oh, can't make the Gaza ship seal.
So what I'm saying,
yeah, that would have been, bro. I only gas me up because this
and not only that, and in kudos to you, where I agree, you gotta say always like you're a film still.
Yeah.
Because
see my line up something still.
Him have to like, because they make some talk last year.
Make some serious
talk last year. So very serious talk.
Very serious talk.
Yeah. So yeah.
So I'm saying big up Alka now. The album, find the album cover for me now.
So yes, people. I don't know, you know, as I say, you hear me say Massacre fan and all of them things. Massacre fan, yes, but bro, you have to understand say the guards I think play a major role in their career, bro. You understand? Just remember that, brother. You see me? Because like a couple years ago, Massacre was not really in that topic like that. Since the Gaza thing and the Gaza segment thing, them kind of, you know? Yeah, and then him go release him album and, you know, with Alkaline album, with that drop 2021, saying all the controversy and everything. See him like what happened now. Everything with you. When Alkaline drop an album, then when the next album them a drop, them a go say, yo, Alkaline album flop, and yo, this album is better. One bugger thing, yeah, you know it's there. Alkaline always a get hit, yeah? You know, the pain and the fight, you see me? The pain and the fight and everything. You see it? Yeah, man, the pain and the fight for everything, man. You see me? So, I just one of them thing, the people. You see it? Just one of them thing, you see it? But, people, when I don't know, you know, one media facts, you know, yeah, man, big up on yourself. No thing said. That is it.